Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you easy ways to download and install Google Shopping in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. Once you are here, please wait until everything are set or ready. Once everything is being set, you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there an icon called Google Apps. So the moment you have typed it, you would be able to see all the list of applications under Google. You need to look for shopping. Okay, so once you have find it, please tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Shopping. Okay, so once you are being redirected here, please proceed at the upper right side again, and this time you need to click on the three dots. So click on it and you need to scroll down and look for an option called Cast, Save, and Share. So the moment you have locate the cursor here, this would appear where here you need to proceed and install page as application. So it will ask you to confirm your action, okay? You can rename that the name that you want to go with. In my case, I'll be leaving to that, okay? I'll go with this Google Shopping name. Once you have named it, you need to proceed and install. And the moment any window would appear, which is your Google Shopping, this means that you have just successfully installed the Google Shopping as an application here in your Windows 11. So if we close this window as well as the Google Chrome browser, and if we check here at the desktop, we will be able to see the Google Shopping application or tool here in our Windows. We can double tap to it whenever we want to shop here in Google. Okay, whenever we want to shop different products or items that we want to check out or place an order with, we can simply access it here at the desktop home screen. But let's say if you don't have the shortcut here at the desktop, don't worry. You can search it here at the bottom search bar, type for shopping, and in this manner, you'd be able to see a best match, which is Google Shopping as an app. And when we click on open, you will be redirected to the Google Shopping window itself. Okay. So that's how easy actually on how to install or download Google Shopping as an application here in your Windows or computer. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.